Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have the YouTube URL ready. Paste it now. First, pick a QR generator, online or an app, because different tools offer different options like logo or color. Once you paste the link, check for extra parameters like timestamps or UTM codes. Remove or keep them intentionally. Decide the output size and error correction level early so you don't redo steps later. Make sure you're logged in if the service saves projects, and confirm the link opens in a browser before proceeding. Now paste the YouTube link into the generator's URL box and choose an error correction level. Pick M for standard use or H if you'll add a logo. Next, customize. Change foreground/background colors, insert a small center logo if desired, and set pixel dimensions or DPI for print clarity. Preview the code at full size, then scan it yourself with a phone camera or a dedicated scanner app to verify it goes to the correct video. If the scan fails, increase size or error correction. Export the final QR as PNG for web, SVG for scalable printing, or PDF for layouts. Once exported, test the code on several phones and in different lighting. Also print a proof at actual size to confirm scanning from the intended distance. If it opens a wrong page, recopy the URL and regenerate. If scanning is unreliable, increase contrast between foreground and background, shrink or remove the logo, or raise the error correction to ensure readability under wear and tear. Then retest.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.